To enable notification pads for active or post status alert in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration and buds feature is on, tap notification categories. Next, scroll down the screen. Under other section, tap active or post status. While the alert for active or post status notification is set to alert, tap the gray on off switch next to app icon badges to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. When this option is on and sound notification feature is on and it detects active or post status, such as when you are pausing or resuming live transcribe, or when you are enabling or disabling sound notification feature, your phone will show notification badge on the sound notification app icon. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.